How to put a stop payment on Wells Fargo check. In order to put a stop payment on Wells Fargo check, you just have to follow the steps. So here what you need to do is, in order to do it, so you can request a stop payment through a Wells Fargo mobile app, online banking, by phone, or a person at a branch as well. Now here's you have to have the check number, amount, and the recipient's name already. Then what you need to do is, if you want to request a stop payment, navigate to a stop payment section within the app or online banking platform. Then you want to call Wells Fargo customer service and request a stop payment. And what next you want to do is visit a branch and speak with the bank as well. Now then, what next you want to do is provide the check number, amount, and the recipient's name to Wells Fargo. Wells Fargo will confirm if the stop payment has been initiated, and it's a good idea to follow up with the Wells Fargo to ensure that the stop payment was processed. This is how you could do it. And some of the consideration you want to do is, a stop payment order does not guarantee that the check will be stopped if it has already been cashed. How it actually works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.